In this video, we are going to see a quick example on how the VLOOKUP using the approximate match function works. So we have multiple sheet tabs within this Google Sheet. If we check the grade sheet, we have the main sheet, departments, tax rates, and grade sheet. Grade sheet states that if the salary is ranging from 0 to 39,000, the grade is junior. If it is 40,000 and above, it is associate. If it is 60,000 and above, it's senior. And if we have 80,000 and more, it's lead, and above that is manager. What we want to do is on the main sheet, we want to mention the grade of any employee. And let's say that we want to add it in the search table and in this main sheet as well. That is the detail that is missing, but because it will take us so much time to enter the grade manually by carefully checking the salary range, so instead we prefer to autofill the data using a VLOOKUP function. Can we do it? Yes, definitely. But how do we do it? We go to the grade sheet and we can name this complete range so that we don't have to go back to refer to it. But let me just also tell you that even if we don't, we can use the VLOOKUP function. Search key, whatever salary is mentioned in this sheet, in the parallel column, we want to find this. Where do we want to find this? We want to find these results in the grade sheet. So as soon as we click on the grade sheet, you will notice at the top formula bar that it will take that reference of the sheet. So it is now referring to nothing basically, but as soon as we select this complete range, how do we select it? We will select the complete columns so that whenever we add something down here, it should automatically be part of our formula. Now it is referring to grade sheet A, B column. It is not straight away mentioning that we have selected from A column to B column. It is referring to grade sheet, that we are picking the data from there only. After that, just remember to put a comma to fix this at this point and then move to the main sheet. That is a very important thing. Otherwise, what happens is if we move it without placing the comma, it will take this reference and convert it to a main sheet. So that will be all wrong. So we have selected the lookup value. We are picking those results from the grade sheet. Let me just actually show you again. What we want to do is we want to extract the grade according to the salary, but the grades are available on the separate sheet and it is not here exactly. Like 42,000 is not mentioned, but we have the lower and upper limit from 0 to 39,000 something salary. If they're earning that much, they are grade junior, but if they're earning 40,000 or above, up till 50,999, they should be associate. After that should be senior, lead, and manager. So that is the main scenarios. So we will use VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, but we want to find this in the separate sheet. So not only we are understanding about the VLOOKUP approximate match function, but also we are learning how we can reference the data from other sheets. So let's go to the grade sheet. And as soon as we select the columns, we will select both of the columns so that even if later on the data is added here, it should pick up that as well. Index number is column index number. So whatever you want to extract, we want to extract the grade here. So grade is in column 2. So let's mention 2 here. And this time it is not an exact match, it is approximate match. So we will mention 1 instead of 0. Close the bracket and hit enter, and we got the results. So 42,000 salary should be associate. That is perfect. Double click to send it down, and 61,000 is eligible for senior. If we, let's say, reduce the salary to 39,000, it immediately shows junior here. Now this is method 1 on how you can refer to other sheets by picking up the data directly, and it is referring to that particular sheet name as well. So let's say that if we change this grade sheet name to roles or something like that, as soon as we hit enter, we check the main formula, and now this VLOOKUP function is automatically referring to that particular sheet. It is already changed. So that's how you do it. But let's also see some other method. Let's say that we want to highlight all the grades and we want to name that as grades here in the name box. Hit enter, and this time it will be even more easier for you to apply the whole formula. We'll use equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. We want to search for the data in the grades names, what we have already selected. So the benefit of this is if you have a lot of sheets, you don't have to move to any particular or specific sheet. It is already referring to that sheet, and you can just highlight that data by staying here only. And the range index is column index number, that is 2, and we want to find it approximately, so 1 for approximate match. If it shows the suggested autofill, press tick to continue, and there is our result. So that is how we can apply VLOOKUP using approximate match with the reference to the data from other sheets. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.